More than ever, businesses are placing higher expectations on IT in terms of efficiencies and overall support of business initiatives. To meet the demand for dependable technology-driven services, BMC Remedy IT Service Management Suite reduces the complexity of customer support, change management, and asset management processes and activities by making them simple, integrated, and efficient. Utilizing its native, purpose-built architecture, BMC Remedy IT Service Management Suite helps you gain business transparency, visibility, and control across all your service support from a single point of control. This complete IT service management solution enables your organization to promote quicker implementations, accelerate training and education, and deliver end-to-end services across even the most complex enterprise environment. At the heart of BMC Remedy IT Service Management Suite is the BMC Service Management Process Model. This visual IT infrastructure library bridges the gap between the academics of good practices and theory and your service management applications to better align people, processes, and technology. For each service management discipline, from incident management, problem management, and change management through release management, you're provided with process models that put theory into practice with detailed service support definitions, complete with specific instructions for how to use your BMC solutions. Now let's explore how the BMC Remedy Suite provides a seamlessly integrated environment for managing your IT infrastructure and improving service availability as we follow a typical service request throughout its life cycle. In today's highly competitive business climate, availability of mission-critical systems is a top priority. From password problems to connectivity issues, when a disruption in service arises, BMC Remedy makes it easy to request assistance with an integrated service ticket that captures all the necessary information directly from the user. Once submitted, the request ticket provides all the details of the issue, as well as a process view, allowing the issue to be routed immediately to the right support area. Designed to speed incident resolution and restore services as quickly as possible, BMC Remedy's integrated approach to service management enables proactive and continuous improvement of service availability, quality, and cost effectiveness. Utilizing the BMC Service Management Process Model, you're able to swiftly move from theory to implementation using the specific work instructions for incident management. Each step of the workflow offers the ability to drill down for a detailed overview of the processes involved, enabling you to readily assess how the process will impact overall service delivery. Moving now to BMC Remedy Service Desk, an analyst can respond rapidly and efficiently to the disruption of service. Opening the incident ticket allows the analyst to determine not only which services are involved, but also the impact, urgency, and priority. Additionally, the Best Practice View supplies work details and associated relationships, as well as date and systems information. To further assist in expediting a resolution, the analyst is provided with a list of quick actions to broadcast the incident, view categorizations, investigate past customer incidents, or perform incident matching as needed. And to save time when performing a search, the analyst has the option to search across similar incidents, problem investigations, known errors or solutions, and view the corresponding results in a single view. When immediate resolution isn't possible and further diagnostics are required, BMC Remedy takes you from the theoretical problem management process model to detailed work instructions in just a few simple clicks. Based on the best practice model, an analyst is able to use BMC Service Desk to instantly generate a problem and escalate it to the next stage of the process flow, effectively moving the problem from identification and classification to review. At this point, the analyst may choose to perform a cost analysis, assign the problem to a specific department, or relate the incident to similar incidents in the environment. Reviewing the results of the search, the analyst can sort the list by status to see which incidents are currently in progress, which have been assigned, and those that have been resolved. After thorough assessment of the problem, the analyst can choose to escalate to the next stage of the process flow to begin an investigation into the root cause. Once the problem is assigned and the appropriate individual is notified, the next logical step is to generate a known error in the environment. The analyst quickly provides the details of the error and supplies either recommendations for permanent corrective action or a temporary workaround to get the affected user or system up and running as quickly as possible. BMC Remedy Change Management increases the speed and efficiency in which you implement change, while minimizing business risk and disruption. When a known error is identified, the analyst can initiate a change request by selecting from the available templates. The best practice flow systematically guides the analyst through the data requirements at each stage of the process. As the analyst determines the parameters of the change, including type, timing, and priority, an integrated risk assessment tool is also provided to determine the overall risk of implementing the change. Based on the defined standards for change management, the system ensures all appropriate steps are taken, the correct approval is received, and fail-safe procedures are put in place. Bidirectional integration with BMC Configuration Management allows the analyst to seamlessly move the request for change from planning to execution, and ensures changes are implemented as designed, with complete transparency into the process for compliance reporting. In addition to enforcing best practice change management processes on a global basis, BMC Change Management also offers collision detection, enabling you to coordinate change implementation across the enterprise and effectively manage the entire closed-loop change and configuration process. For solid service management implementation, look no further than BMC's Remedy IT Service Management Suite. A single deployment of a single solution enables you to respond faster and more precisely to infrastructure issues, restore critical services faster, closely align service support and cost with business needs, and increase the overall value that IT brings to your business. With BMC Remedy IT Service Management Suite's out-of-the-box functionality, you're able to reduce business disruptions by addressing infrastructure-related incidents, improve cost efficiency with closed-loop change processes, and increase productivity of your service desk agents, support staff, and business users. To learn more about BMC Remedy IT Service Management Suite, please contact us today.